DJI may have just triggered one of the biggest moments in drone history. A leaked FCC filing hints at a shockingly affordable 360-degree drone, rumored to cost just around $400. But before you rush to pre-order, there's a critical regulatory deadline coming up that could shake up what drones are even allowed to fly in certain markets. Let's break down why this leak is creating such a storm. A full product listing for the DJI Avata 360 briefly appeared on a major Chinese social platform, complete with images, specs, and pricing. Although removed in under 20 minutes, screenshots reveal a base price of 2,988 yuan, about $426 USD. To put that in perspective, most 360-degree consumer drones start above $1,000, with professional rigs easily hitting $3,000 to $5,000. The leak also showed multiple bundles, entry-level with a controller around $500. Premium bundle near $800 with goggles, spare batteries, and a charging hub. Another $800 option using motion-based controls for intuitive flight. Even beginners could pull off cinematic moves. This pricing shakeup could change expectations overnight, much like an electric car hitting the market at half the usual price. Rumored specs are equally eye-catching: large 1-inch image sensor, 6K video at 60 FPS, HDR for better dynamic range, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance on all sides, drastically reducing crash risk. There are also whispers of even more advanced hardware, dual sensors, 8K 360 capture, and next-gen image processing. DJI could be planning multiple versions or scaling features depending on local regulations, tariffs, and pricing tolerance. Remember, Chinese launch prices rarely translate directly to Western retail. That $426 could become $600 to $900 internationally. Still competitive, but not as shocking. For buyers, it's critical to look beyond leaks and think practically. Existing drones under $400 already offer 4K video, stabilization, subject tracking, and 30-minute flight times, perfect for beginners and casual creators. Stepping up, stabilized 360 capture systems let creators reframe shots in post-production, remove the drone from footage, and create impossible perspectives. The workflow is advanced but can massively elevate production value for travel, commercial, or branded content. The leaked DJI Avata 360 isn't just about specs. It signals where consumer drone technology is heading: more immersive capture, smarter automation, easier accessibility, greater creative freedom at lower price points. Regulatory shifts mean hesitation could cost access to certain models, so staying informed is key. Don't make impulse decisions. Choose drones that deliver reliable performance today while keeping an eye on what could be the next major evolution in aerial cinematography. The drone market is moving fast. Inventories fluctuate, rules are tightening, and creators who adapt early and fly responsibly will always come out on top. The DJI Avata 360 could be the drone that changes the game, but only if you're ready.